Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you all? Hope that you all are fine and having good time at your home and taking good care of yourself as well. Today is 7th of April 2021, day is Wednesday and you are having your science lesson with me. The chapter that we are reading these days is about unit number 1, the human body. And in our previous videos of science, we have talked about the brain, we have discussed its different lobes, its function, and then we have also discussed in detail about the nervous system. The nervous system is what that is composed of your brain, your spinal cord, and all the nerves in your body. Okay? What I have written on the board, that the nervous system is composed of the brain, spinal cord, and all the nerves that are present in your body. You know about the brain, you have seen the spinal cord. Spinal cord is actually your backbone. The nerves are thread-like structure that's function is to send the message all around your body. नर्व थ्रेड की तरह की स्ट्रक्चर होती है आपकी बॉडी में, बिल्कुल थिन, बहुत ही थिन, और ये पूरी बॉडी में स्प्रेड हुई होती है डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे. सीम्स लाइक ऑल ओवर द बॉडी. आपकी पूरी स्किन पे आपकी नर्व्स होती हैं. और नर्व्स का काम ये होता है कि वट एवर द थिंग इज़ हैपनिंग इन योर बॉडी और द स्पेसिफिक पार्ट, दे हैव टू सेंड द मैसेज टू योर ब्रेन. उन्होंने फ़ौरन से आपके ब्रेन को मैसेज कन्वे करना होता है, so that your brain can take any kind of action according to the happening whatever is happened to your body, right? So the nervous system is composed of your brain, your spinal cord, and all the nerves, right? Then we have also talked that we are having the two types of nervous system. How many types of nervous system? Two types of nervous system: peripheral nervous system and central nervous system. Okay. Now what is peripheral nervous system and central nervous system? For the revision of both type of nervous system, I want to show you the skeleton. See, this is the human skeleton right in front of you, and if we just talk about the brain, your brain and your spinal cord, this is your spinal cord. If we just talk about the brain and the spinal cord, this will be the central nervous system. And if we talk about all the nerves that are present in your body, that will be a peripheral nervous system. आपको इस स्केलेटन में नर्व्स तो नहीं पता चलेंगी बिकॉज इट इज़ जस्ट मेड ऑफ बोन्स. नर्व्स आर प्रेजेंट इन योर बॉडी, आपकी बॉडी के अंदर होती है, जो बॉडी का बाकी मैस होता है उसके अंदर. फॉर दैट आई वांटेड टू शो यू अ चार्ट सो दैट इट विल बी क्लियर टू यू. This is a chart I was talking about. See, your brain somewhere on this position and your spinal cord, this one. Okay, spinal cord skeleton में ज़्यादा clear थी, that's why I was showing it to you. Your brain and spinal cord make your central nervous system and all the nerves. See, आपको ये नज़र आ रहा है blue, red, these all are the nerves. ये आपके हेड से लेकर आपके टोज तक, एंड तक हैं. इसीलिए आपकी बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट पर अगर कहीं भी चोट लगती है, यहाँ पे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, योर ब्रेन क्विकली गेट टू नो कि दैट देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग ऑन एनी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. व्हाई इज दैट? बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द नर्व्स इन योर बॉडी. बिकॉज द जॉब ऑफ द नर्व्स इज टू कन्वे द मैसेज टू द ब्रेन so that the brain can take the action and can give the instruction to solve that particular problem, right? So all the nerves in your body from your head to your toes, they make the peripheral nervous system. So this is how we explain about the types of nervous system. We are having two types of nervous system. One is central, that contain the brain and the spinal cord. Other is peripheral, that contain all the nerves in your body. ये जो आपको नज़र आ रही है ना, these are the nerves. अभी these are very thin in size, बहुत बारीक होती हैं, just like a thread, and they just randomly quickly transfer the message to the brain and brain just do the action according to that. Okay, So this was just the revision of the brain and the central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, the nervous system in our body. See, grade 9, just the way we are talking about the brain and we have given a name of nervous system to the system of the brain, same goes with every organ of the body. Now our second organ is about heart. We are going to talk about the human heart. जब हम ह्यूमन हार्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे तो इसका जो प्रॉपर सिस्टम होगा वी विल बी कॉलिंग इट एज द सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. ओके, द सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इज रिलेटेड टू द हार्ट. लेट मी राइट इट ऑन द So the heart system of the heart is called the circulatory system, and this is somehow your heart look like. I have just made a rough diagram, and I also wanted to show you the location of the heart in the human body. It is present. See, this is the digestive system, and I want to show you the location of the human heart. It is covered by the pair of the lungs. See, we are having the pair of lungs in our body that are present on each side of the body, on left and on the right. And the lungs are covered by the rib cage. I wanted to show you this skeleton, and if you see, like this is the rib cage. इस एरिया को, ये जो बोनी एरिया होता है, इसको हम रिब केज कहते हैं. एंड योर लंग्स आर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड इट. हमारे लंग्स जो हैं वो इसके अंदर होते हैं, इस जगह पर. सी, आई हैव केप्ट माई हैंड हेयर. Our lungs are just hidden here, and the purpose of rib cage is to protect the lungs and our heart from any kind of mishap, right? So the lungs and the heart is protected by the rib cage. And if I just take off the lungs, you will be able to see the location of the heart in our body. That is, seems like middle, but on the slightly left side of your body. हमारी body के left side पर हमारा heart होता है, और the function of the heart is to pump the blood. So this is where the heart is located, and it is covered by the pair of the lungs, and lungs and heart are present under the rib cage that protect us from different mishappening, because the rib cage is made of bones, so it protects the internal sensitive organs. Okay, okay, I'll do it later because it's taking time. Oh man, oh god. All right, I'll do it later. So this is what I wanted to show you, the location of the heart. Let's get back to our topic. You know what, grade 5, हार्ट का काम तो पूरी बॉडी में ब्लड पंप करना होता है, राइट? बट हमारी बॉडी में कुछ वेन्स होती हैं, कुछ आर्टरीज होती हैं. आई वांटेड टू शो यू. सी, आर यू एबल टू सी द ब्लू लाइन्स एंड द रेड लाइन्स हेयर? See, this is the shape of the heart. These blue lines and red lines are the tubes through which the blood is passing in our body. There are 3 types of such tubes, or that let the blood move all around the body.